What's up, guys? It's Duck and Monkey. Welcome to America. Rack it. Pull it back. Pull it back. Keep it down. Watch the rock. Back to back. Teaching Monkey how to shoot. Yeah, it's fun. You gotta put the safety down. Yep, safety down. Keep it low. Hit the target.
Because I automatically go for that squeeze on the second shot.
A little bit of a kick to it, huh? Nice, right? Still have another one. Nice. How's it?
If that has any play when you, the way you load it. Could be the way you slap it back. Well, I mean, you know, like if you have this round and the next one in front of it, flip, or if you. Yeah, I tried that. I was looking at it when I was loading it, it won't allow it. Oh, it was I really like this. I like the career stock.
Oh, this is cute.
It's cute, yeah.
Cute.
It's just a baby. A little 22. I'm gonna buy you one. Yeah. You're out.
The brakes for it? Oh, yeah. Six right up. Yeah. Those are that thing.
This is another 22.
Buckshot, and you know, you gotta use like smaller colors. Yeah, it's gotta be like, I would almost say
Yep.
like